Good Friday, everyone. Look at our weather map for today. We see more strong to severe thunderstorms across the deep south yet again today. Stretching from Arkansas down to the panhandle of Florida, isolated tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds. Just the same thing they've been dealing with this week. But more strong to severe thunderstorms in eastern Colorado, western Kansas. Really close. You can see another area of strong to severe thunderstorms across Maryland and portions of southern New Jersey. But unsettled weather across much of the country. You see some showers on Tennessee there, though, but I think those are overdone. And I think many of us will stay high and dry. And that's reflected in our 5-day forecast. Just a 10% chance for an isolated shower or storm. Highs in the low 80s. Then tomorrow looks like a mostly dry day. Can't ever rule out that really isolated storm, but I think all of us are going to stay very dry tomorrow. Highs in the low 80s. Now, we will see gusty winds by this afternoon. I will mention that. Wind gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Sunday, I've got mostly dry at this point. Just a 10% chance. I may have to bump that up closer to 20 again, but I mean, it looks like the bulk of that thunderstorm activity is going to hold off till Sunday night, at least after sunset. And some of those storms could be strong to severe. I'll have to keep an eye on that. They're expecting severe weather across West Tennessee and maybe even as far east as western middle Tennessee, like around the Nashville area, stretching down into northern Alabama. And so if that system speeds up or slows down, that could change our forecast for Sunday. But right now it looks to me like that stuff would get here Sunday night. And we could be dealing with some strong to severe thunderstorms. I'll keep an eye on that. Monday and Tuesday are looking pretty wet. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are likely. Highs in the upper 70s on Monday, highs in the mid 70s on Tuesday. We need the rain, that is for sure. I think we're approaching 7 inches below normal now. Probably will be that much below normal by the time we get to Monday. So we'll be needing the rain, that is for sure. On this day in 1806, a total eclipse of the sun was viewed from Southern California all the way to Massachusetts. In 1944, a tornado in Sioux City, Iowa traveled an odd course, spun in one place for 20 minutes, made a U-turn, traveled southeast for about 3 miles, then went south, east, north, and finally east again. Kind of sounds like me on some of my road trips. In 1963, the Soviet space mission Vostok 6 is launched with Valentina Tereshkova on board, who becomes the first woman in space. So, wow, that's a historical moment there. You folks have a wonderful Friday. Keep looking up. I've got your Friday funny and even more weather details all at meteorologistsmart.com.